Hello students, here I am going to start data structure interview preparation series. Here you will find all the important questions for your data structure interview preparation. In this first video I am going to explain some basic level questions. Again in the next coming videos I am going to explain all the part of data structure in this question answer format. Means here you will find all the important questions in your data structures for your interview preparation, again for your university exam. Okay, so keep watching. See the first question, very much important question. What is data structure, or you can say that what do you mean by data structure and what are its types? Data structure is a way of organizing data, way of storing data so that it can be used efficiently. There are different ways to organize data inside a memory, and that way is nothing but a data structure. How the data is organized inside a memory, how to store the data inside a memory, that will be decided by the data structure. How you can fetch data from memory, how you can modify that data, and that is totally dependent on how you have stored that data, how you have organized data inside a memory. That way of organizing data or storing data inside a memory, that is nothing but a data structure. There are multiple ways to store data inside a memory, like array means what? Here data is stored in contiguous way, sequential manner inside a memory. Means there are multiple memory locations and blocks, you can say, but every element is stored contiguously. Okay, means if you are using array data structure, then the storage is like this. If you are using linked list data structure, then the elements are stored at any place, but those are linked together with each other. Means that way of storing data, organizing data inside a memory, that is called as a data structure. Now that data structure decides how the data is stored internally, how it will be used, means how you can access that data, how you can modify that data. That is totally dependent on the data structure. There are basically different types of data structures, like array is there, linked list, stack, queue, tree, graph. These all data structures are categorized into two main types, like linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Linear means, see, the word itself indicates that the data is stored in linear or sequential manner. Okay, array is a linear data structure. In C we declare array like this, int a of 5. Now how it will store internally? This a of 5 means what? A is the name of that array and it is having internally 5 elements. Here this is an array. Okay, here a of 5, suppose this array is initialized with these elements like 4, 5, 9, 12 and 7. Then internally the elements are stored like this. Here see, this is an array. Okay, the first element we can access with the help of index 0, means a of 0 is the first element, then a of 1 is the second element. Means with the help of indices we can access individual elements of that array. Okay, index starts with 0, ends with size -1, that is here 4 because size is 5. Okay, and all the elements are of type integer. You can say that these are the characteristics of this array data structure. Means how the elements are stored contiguously inside a memory. Means suppose this element 4, the first element is stored at 100th address, suppose, then let one integer is taking 4 bytes, then of course the second element will be stored inside 104th location. Of course, see, first element is at 100th, first is taking 4 bytes, then next of course at 104th location. In the same way the next elements are stored. Here see, each and every element is connected with one previous element and next element at most. Okay, at most 2 elements, means the next one and the previous one. This is the linear data structure. Here elements are stored contiguously. Contiguously means in a sequential way. Okay, this is for only array, contiguous allocation. Linked list is again linear data structure, but here all the elements are connected with each other. These are stored in linear manner, sequential manner, but these memory locations are not contiguous. These are linked together. Sequential way is there internally. That's why this linked list again comes under linear data structure. Next one is stack is there. See, these are the elements of the stack. The topmost element is always accessible. Okay, in this way the linear data structure means elements are stored in linear manner, sequential manner. Okay, the examples of linear data structures are like stack, queue, linked list. Okay, the next one is non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure means here the elements are arranged in non-linear manner. Okay, here you cannot find like the linear structure. This is a tree data structure. Here hierarchical way is there for storage. Internally also the elements are stored in hierarchical manner. Here every node is having two addresses in it, like left child, right child, in this way. In this way internal structure is also there for storage. Okay, again in graph data structure the elements are stored in this way, like this. See, this is not linear. Okay, here A is connected with B as well as C also, like this. Means here the elements are not stored in sequential or linear way. Here also you can write like this arrow, means B can be connected with AC as well as D. In this way, this is nothing but a non-linear data structure. Means linear data structure, only keep in mind the elements are stored in sequential or linear manner, and then examples are array, linked list, stack, queue, in this way. And in non-linear data structure the elements are stored in non-linear fashion. There is no any linear or sequential manner for storage and manipulation. And here the elements can be connected with more than one elements with each other. Examples are trees and graph. Now see, the second question is, what is an array? Array is a linear data structure. It is a sequential data structure. Array is a group of similar kind of data elements, means the data elements having same data type stored contiguously inside a memory. Contiguously means what? See here, the whatever elements are stored, those are stored in a continuous manner inside a memory. Means the blocks whatever allocated for that array, that is contiguous block of memory, and there all the elements are stored or grouped together. Int x in here square bracket and equals to, in curly brace I have initialized that array, like all the elements are comma separated here. Now here size is optional, means here data type then name of array, and in square bracket we have to mention size. But if we are initializing the array at the time of declaration, then size is optional. That's why here in this way we can create X array having size 5. Internally storage will be like this. Here elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One integer is taking 4 bytes. That's why 4 into 5, 20 bytes will get allocated, and 4 bytes for each and every elements will be allocated. Now here first element is suppose at 100th location, then 104th location is there, and their second element will get stored. Then next one is at 108, next one is at 112, next one is at 116. In this way, these 5, then 6, then 9, 10 and 2. In this way the elements will get stored. X will be the internal pointer and that will hold at 100. Okay, so using that X we can access the whole array now. Now here first element is having index 0, that's why we can access with the help of X of 0. This square bracket is called as a subscript operator. Now the second element is X of 1, third one is X of 2, X of 3 and X of 4. See, always see 0 based index is there. In case of array, don't start with 1. Okay, 0 is the index of first element and the last element will have index size minus 1, that is 4 here. In this way the internal structure will be there in array. Array elements are stored contiguously in linear way in sequential manner. That's why array is a linear data structure. Okay, in Java we can declare array like this. With the help of new operator we have to declare array. Let integer is a data type again, then let array name is p. Suppose here we have to write again square bracket is equal to new int, and here in square bracket we have to mention size. Again I am specifying here size 5. Here this square bracket you can put after variable name or before variable name. There are two choices. You can use any style. Okay, like this you can create array in Java. Again in C++ also in the same way we can create array. This initialization is not compulsory. If you are not initializing, then initially the values will be the garbage value in C. In Java initial values will be like 0 for integers. Okay, so what is an array? Array is a group of similar kind of data elements. If we want to group together multiple elements of same data type, then we can use array data structure. In array, the array name whatever itself indicates the base address, means address of first element. First element will have index 0 and last element will have index size minus 1. Now the next question is, what is a multi-dimensional array? See, multi-dimensional means it is having multiple dimensional. If you are considering normal array, then that is a one-dimensional array. You can consider only one single row there. Okay, may see here array is a group of similar kind of data elements. If we are combining multiple integers, then that is nothing but one dimensional integer array. Suppose I want to group together multiple one dimensional integer arrays, then that is allowed. Means array of arrays we can say, that is a two dimensional array. For example, see here I have declared an array like x 2 2, means here row index and column index I am giving, means number of rows and number of columns. In this way, actually internal meaning is like this, it is a array of size 2 and each and every element is again itself array. Okay, means first element of that array is a array having size 2, second element is again having size 2, means here see I am just grouping together two arrays, and array of two arrays is nothing but a two dimensional array. Getting? This is the structure. See, whenever we create array like this, internally 4 elements array will be created. See, first row having 2 elements, second row having 2 elements. For 2 arrays the memory will be allocated. See, consider this is one array x. Okay, and x is internally having 2 arrays as its elements. That's why this is the x of 0, this one is x of 1. Now this x of 0 is actually the array itself, and x of 1 is also array. Now x of 0 is internally having 2 elements, x of 1 is internally having 2 elements in it. This is array of arrays, that's why this is called as a two dimensional array. Now see here, this array is having 2 elements 1 and 2, and this array is having element 3 and 4. Now how we can access this individual element? Having row and column index. Means what? The main index of this element plus internal index of that internal array. Okay, means see here x of 0 is the main index, because this is the 0th element of that x array, and from that 0th element again x of 0 1, here x of 1 0 and x of 1 1. In this way we can access the individual elements of this two dimensional array. Means what? Array of array is nothing but a two dimensional array, and if we are again going in depth like array of arrays, then that is called as a multi-dimensional array. Getting? Now the next question, what is abstract data type? Abstract data type is a way of classifying data structure based on how they are used and the behavior they provide. See here, it is not considered that how they are implemented. Means what? See here, abstract data type means here we are just providing abstraction, we are just hiding something here. Means implementation we are hiding, only here what is essential that is shown, means what the data structure should have. What that data structure should have, that is only known. How that is implemented, that is not known in advance. It can be implemented using any way. Okay, here we are just providing abstraction to the data structure, that is nothing but an abstract data type. Okay, abstract data type is a way of classifying data structure based on how they are used and behavior they provide. Means what? See, here we can consider like stack is an abstract data type. Here we know only that stack is having last in first out. Okay, last in first out means whatever element inserted last, that will be removed first. That characteristic is there inside a stack. Okay, and how stack behaves means there is a push operation, pop operation is possible. Push means inserting element into the stack, removing element from the stack, that is nothing but a pop. Only topmost element we can remove, only about top we can insert element. Last in first out should be there. That characteristic only you know, but how it is internally actually implemented, that is not known in advance, not needed. Okay, and that is nothing but abstraction, and that's why stack can be considered as an abstract data type. Again, you can consider queue as an abstract data type. How? See, inside queue we know that there are two ends like front and rear end, and we can insert element through rear end, we can remove element from front end only. Whatever element inserted first, that will be removed first, that is there is a first in first out. This characteristic, this interface, this behavior, this set of behaviors, that is only known, but how it is actually implemented, that is not known in advance. We can use there anything. Okay, means we can implement queue with the help of array. You know that, like that is static implementation. We can use against linked list data structure, that is the dynamic implementation also possible. Means here only think about, here we know only how the behavior is, what is the interface is, how it is actually implemented, that is not known, not needed in advance. That is the concept of abstract data type. Means stack, queue, these data structures can be considered as an abstract data type. Here we know only how stack is, what are the characteristics, what is the interface of that stack data structure, how it is actually implemented, that is not known in advance. We can use their array for implementation, linked list as per our choice. Getting? Means abstract data type is a way of classifying data structure. See here we are just classifying based on the behavior. Okay, means stack is like this, that is a linear, queue is like this, that is again linear, tree is like this, that is non-linear. In this way we are just classifying the data structures based on how they are used and the behavior they provide. Getting? Stack can be considered as an abstract data type, queue also, array also can be considered as an abstract data type. Getting? In the next session we will see some more important questions of data structures. Till that, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.